Good afternoon. Today is Sunday, November 19, 2023, and here are the 3 p.m. Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL's Word 3's 3 p.m. result for Lapu-Lapu City under LAC 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, November 19, 2023. Here are the SL's Word 3's 3 p.m. result for Mandawi City under Piona Trading and Supply Corporation for Sunday, November 19, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 p.m. video for Sunday, November 19, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.